Okay, this is just your Max, I think it's Max from Lowe's, inexpensive steel bathtub, porcelain, easy cleaning. This is the deepest one you can get off the box store, which is, it's like 11 or 12 inch depth of water, 16 and 5/8 to the lip. So, but they're tinny, they're terrible. They sound like your van or your car doors, you know, they're just, and you put the soundproof in your car doors, same principle. So I started with that. I was going to use actually some dead mat, but expansion foam, I was going to spend another 15 bucks on more foam, but I thought, hey, I saw this on Instagram or somewhere on the internet where a guy put bat insulation, fiberglass insulation in there, and no problems. As long as you waterproof properly and that doesn't get wet, you'll be fine. And then inside the tub bay. So this is all the voids around the back and the sides and the front. And the beauty of the fiberglass is it's got give. So if you got to get in there and move things around, because when you set your drain, it's movable. You know, a hard expansion foam, if it overblows and it gets too tall, now you're shaving, which is fine if you got the time. But I had some leftover fiberglass. I shoved it in here, and the sound of this is 10 times better. I mean, that is dead, and that's going to be mass heat retention and also sound. So I would say that's a A plus, go 100% rock and roller. You just got to make sure your drain's good. No, you don't want any water in here, and your sealant from your tile, your flooring to your tub, make sure no water gets in there. So make a good caulk joint there. Obviously your tub better be waterproof to your tile. You should be golden.